Imagine you had a material as multifaceted as life itself. Imagine everything flowing faster and smoother than ever before. Imagine there are no limits to your ideas. Imagine with carbon, whatever you imagine, Schunk makes it a reality.
Welcome to Schunk Carbon Technology India Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of the Schunk Group. We started our operations in India in May 1999 and we have 2 plants in Bangalore today. The first one at Mahadevpura is focused on machining electrical and mechanical carbon for a wide range of products for industrial applications. Our second plant in Pune was started in January 2019.
Our whole campus is about 3 acres, located very close to Bangalore's IT hub called Whitefield. And our production area is about 30,000 square feet within this campus.
We carry nearly 1 million euros of mechanical and electrical carbon inventory imported from Heuchelheim, Germany, to meet the customer demands at short notice. 100% on-time delivery and short lead time is critical to our success.
We manufacture both mechanical and electrical related carbon products here. Under mechanical carbon, we manufacture about 50,000 seals per annum and about 5,000 pieces of bearings per annum.
Our delivery time stands out in the market with just under 5 days for seal rings, and we even promise 1-day delivery in emergency situations. The flexibility of taking up orders from 1 piece to hundreds of parts up to OD size 320 mm makes us a unique partner to our customers. We supply seal rings and bearing bush for mechanical seals and pump manufacturers. Our Mahadevpura plant in grades FH82 and 82A, FH42 and 42A.
We have invested in high-end Mazak turn mill centers to meet the high-precision requirements from both our global and local customers. Each part is machined from a carbon blank as per customer drawings, dimensions and tolerance requirements, and can take as short as 15 minutes to finish a seal ring and about 25 minutes for a carbon bearing.
Our customers are Bergman, Florso, SE for carbon seals, and for carbon bearings some of our customers include KSB, Hydroden, Ebara, ITT, etc.
We have worked with ace designers to design and build CNC turn mill and turning centers suitable for our special technical requirements for carbon machining. We have a vacuum impregnation plant for resin impregnation. We also have lapping machine from Lap Master to meet various customer surface finish requirements. Our state-of-the-art quality assurance lab consists of precision measuring instruments like the VMA 2520 Video Measuring System, VMS from Nikon, Mitutoyo Height Master for 2D measurement, and LapMaster optical flatness measuring equipment to ensure the product tolerances meet customer specifications. All primary packaging is done in production line itself to protect the parts, which are exported to countries like Germany, Sweden, China and Korea. We have invested in Doosan DNM 400 Vertical Machining Center. We machine the profile of the standard metallized carbon strips on this center. We deliver 10,000 such strips per year to the Indian Railway workshops across the country. We also have a production line for the assembly of metallized carbon strips. These carbon strips, after the final assembly, will be either dispatched to the customer or used for in-house pantograph production requirements. We have a specialized packing which has been developed with our supplier to ensure the strips are well protected during transit. We fit these strips on all the pantographs we manufacture and also deliver them to the rail aftermarket customers across the country for replacement.
Under electrical carbon, we manufacture about 40,000 carbon brushes per year and about 4,000 brush holders per year.
Our carbon brushes and brush holders used in industrial motors and generators find application in wind turbines, power supply, cement and steel plants. We also manufacture and supply these carbon brushes for our in-house grounding contact assembly requirements and as spares for the rail aftermarket. We deliver brushes in various size range starting from 8 by 16 by 25 millimeters to 20 by 40 by 100 millimeters. The block cutting and sizing process involves cutting and size grinding all the sides of the brushes. We have a highly specialized auto-temping machine from Urek, Austria, which is a big differentiator in the Indian market. This is used to drill and fix copper cables into carbon brushes by tamping. The terminals are crimped in this press and tinning is done to secure it firmly. Packaging is done in production itself and our brushes are delivered to leading industrial AC and DC motor manufacturers like CG Power, Kirloskar, TDPS, WEG and Timek. We also deliver these brushes to India's leading cement and steel manufacturers.
We manufacture close to 240,000 pieces of vanes per year.
Lucas TVS is a Schunk mobility customer in India. We manufacture and supply up to 200,000 carbon vanes to them per month, which are fitted in the electrical vacuum vane pump used in the braking system in commercial truck applications. The manufacturing process involves block cutting and size grinding of all the sides of the vane. This is followed by ultrasonic cleaning to remove dirt and oil particles before it is packed and sent to the customer.
We are also the largest OEM supplier for CG Power, the largest electric motor company in India, and the most preferred supplier for wind turbine companies like Suzlon, Inox, Siemens Gamesa and Senmion.
We manufacture around 3,000 brush holders to meet our industry and transit customer requirements. The brush holders are assembled with brushes and also in a rocker ring assembly format for industrial motor and wind turbine applications.
We also have our own brass casting and machining facility to manufacture brush holder parts for our in-house requirement.
In this foundry, we manufacture brass brush holders with the gravity die casting machine brought in from IMR, Italy. Processes like broaching, milling, chamfering, drilling, tapping and deburring are completed before the brush holder goes for the final assembly. The brushes are assembled in the brush holders with the pressure finger and necessary accessories. The brush holder assemblies are in turn mounted on base plates as per customer-specific requirements based on the motor frame size to complete the rocker ring assembly. The rocker ring assemblies are carefully packed in wooden boxes for delivery to leading industrial DC motor manufacturers like CG Power. They will also be developed and supplied to wind turbine manufacturers like Siemens Gamesa in the coming days. We manufacture 2,000 grounding contact assemblies per year based on transit railway project requirements from leading OEMs like Bombardier, Medha Servo Drive, BEML and Schunk Korea. The brush holders are cast in the foundry, machined and assembled with the mounting flange, top cover, brush track and carbon brushes to complete the grounding contact.
Because of the finest grade of carbon imported from Germany. In a nutshell, hallmark of Indian operation is 100% on-time delivery with a very short lead time. Our major strength is our product quality.
Recently, we have changed the way we approach our customers in terms of our speed of response, inquiry management, deliverables and customer satisfaction. It's a known fact that the Indian customers have been deprived of good carbon technology products and solutions, and we are here to change that. They will now have access to globally renowned carbon products directly from Schunk India, and they do not have to depend on third-party distributors for high-quality carbon products. To summarize, we have taken a big step in the right direction, and we look forward in building Schunk as a formidable brand in India.
At Schunk India, our passion for technology, our entrepreneurial and customer-centric approach embody the spirit of the Schunk Group's mission.
Imagine carbon technology. Schunk makes it a reality.